you're not giving up on anything. It's not a dieting. It's a healthy way of eating. That's it. It's definitely not dieting. तो थोड़ा माइंड को ओपन करो, इन्वेस्ट करो, get into it, experience it, and only then you will know what it is what I can say. People who are hearing that video, all are very shocked कि हम लोग तो सब, we all have put on weight and sitting at home and not able to go to the gyms and workouts and morning walks, because probably they are dependent on that. But I was happy. I told them that yes, I have taken a program called Wild Fit with Rakhi ji, and which gave me a very good result, and that is what is seen on me. And my family is very happy because I've toned up. This is how I was when I got married. I used to shop for XL, but now I've come down to L, and certain brands which I normally buy, I also go good with them also. So that's one really lovely thing. My tailor was very happy. She had got a lot of clothes to alter my dresses and give me. She's like, madam, और कितना करना है, एक ही साथ में कर दूंगी alter, कितनी बार कराओगे वापस. In fact, a couple of brands I get called that you have been ordering XL and now you have ordered M. Is it by mistake? I'll be like, no, absolutely not. It is. That's what it is. That is what Wild Fit has actually done to me. It's like my main aim was that I need to get my thyroid in control. I need to get my weight in control, because work from home had already created a big chaos and a big mess also. Not only me, everyone working from home. So that is what, when I decided, okay, fine, घर पे है, and it's a good knowledge actually which will teach me, enhance myself. I just thought, okay, let me try. कहीं जाना नहीं है, घर से ही हो रहा है, तो एक बार try कर सकते हैं. I joined Wild Fit with those two reasons, but as a result, there are many other points which got benefited, which even I never thought of. So that's a long list actually. I started this last year, in 2020 September. So the 5th of September was my first day with Wild Fit. So the initial 2 weeks was like okay, because we were allowed, कुछ भी नहीं था, so it was normal. Then the 5th week, I think, was the difference when I started seeing. Approximately, I don't remember too well, but yeah, 5th week for sure was the week when I started seeing the development. As you had advised, photo bhi खींच के रखा था, so I could see the difference in pics, which I think I've already shared with you also. The body, the toning had started. My face, the glow had already begun on my face. My face line had started to shrink in, and I was able to get good sleep. Amazing good sleep actually, which was a very big problem. I was able to get up fresh. It's been 11 months since I've not had headaches, which I used to have every second day before Wild Fit. Saridon to ऐसे every alternate day I had to take. I have not even touched painkillers for the last 11 months. I'm so happy about it. Thyroid readings as my first report when I started, or on an average my report, especially the TSH part, which is the biggest problem for a hypothyroid patient. The counting, the average should be within 5. And I, from 2009, I'm a hypothyroid patient, and my TSH has never come down from 2 digits. It has always been in double digit. My highest was 72. Even in that stage, like, yeah, nothing helped me. But now, after 11 months of Wild Fit, my thyroid 2 months back ka report is 3.5. It's 3.5. My T3 is in levels. My T4 also is in levels. My hemoglobin is 12.5 now, which is maintained right for the last few months. And my other essential counts are also at a very good level. Like my iron, my magnesium, my ferritin, everything is coming up to a very good number. I'm extremely happy. My doctor is very happy. So, because falling my TSH in 3.5 has never been in the history of since 2009. So, it's still in that same range, and it's actually helping. It's really helping. No fatigues, no tiredness, no laziness, and no body pains, no body chills. Periods are पता ही नहीं चलता है. So 3 days just go like butter, smooth. The wrong word to use, but yeah, it's smooth as butter. Yeah, definitely being a vegetarian, I thought, okay, कैसे होगा manage and the source of the requirements of body fulfill होगा कि नहीं, but absolutely not. Definitely WildFit is a very big advantage for the non-vegetarians, but nothing less for vegetarians as well. And I am a person who would little think before trying food or anything like that. But this program has helped me try out many things which I've never even heard about or never even seen or tried at all. Lot of greens I have tried, lot of vegetables ऐसे मिलते भी हैं. I came to know only through WildFit. My journey started when where I was 73.4 kgs, and now it is maintained between 59 and 60. I'm not going beyond that. So that's the greatest thing. बीच में एक आध दिन चीट डे भी हो जाता है तो भी the body doesn't like it. That's one thing. Like the last week when I went out with my friends, I was not happy. खा लिया उस टाइम सब थे साथ में, excitement था. We were meeting after a long time. So I had. But then that's it. That 233 was the last that I had, and only the next day I had my lunch. It was almost another 18 to 20 hours of fasting. So then my body got settled. Now my body knows कि कैसे settle होना है. And the next day again it's back to my WildFit routine, and yeah, it was completely, absolutely fine. I was back to normal. The body itself was not liking it actually. So that's one absolutely wonderful thing that WildFit gives you. Prior to WildFit, I used to have this headaches. अगर मैं ज़्यादा सो जाती हूँ तो I used to have headaches, but that is completely ruled out now. अरे सबसे बड़ा point तो I love tea. I forgot to mention about it. I've given up on tea. Coffee to anyways I was not very fond of. So I've completely given up on the tea. Green tea bhi I'm not too like looking forward for it. So I'm not dependent on tea to keep myself going. So tea is something which I had started having at the age of 7. But जैसे जैसे time जाता गया, number of count of tea started increasing. Post lockdown, on an average 3 chai pit. I used to have 3 cups of tea in a day. So it's now 0. It's completely 0 now. So I'm very happy about that. And with not having the tea and that giving me a headache or that giving me, that lethargic feeling, kuch bhi nahi hai. It is not that difficult. I don't know why I didn't try it first. So I think probably WildFit made it more easier for me to leave it.
Yes.
In fact, my entire family is shocked. My parents and my uncle, aunties are like, "तूने चाय बंद कर दिया." That's something great. I'm able to understand my body needs. I'm able to justify my body needs. I'm able to give what is required. The best part of WildFit is there's no vigorous workouts. So I'm very, very happy. Gym नहीं जाना है, workouts नहीं करने हैं, body में तो दर्द नहीं सहन करना है. Because there's a basic walk is the only thing that is a part of WildFit. So that's one of the biggest advantage. I'm very active. Today I'm on 20 hours fasting. I was in 20 hours fasting with my second day of periods, and I had no tiredness, no low feeling at all. I was still active. I'm fresh, and I'm really feeling great. Really feeling great, and all thanks to you. Exercise मैंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया. अभी चालू किया. As I said, I've just started because I want to tone up my body for to get a good shape. That's it. बिल्कुल I'm not at all an exercise person. It is just that you need to know what is the right thing for your body and whether you are eating right, and that is what WildFit is all about: eating the right food and with the freedom of eating. So when you're around with people, you cannot even have tantrums of not eating, or I'm on a different diet, or I cannot eat all this. I was eating, but then I knew what has to be done next. So the next week, WildFit life, everything was sorted. System gets back to routine, and The weight never increases. That's the biggest advantage of WildFit, I feel. Unlike other diet plans and your exercise plans, wherein you leave it and you gain back. But mine is on an average 59-60 it is always maintained. Not even 61 so far. I'm very happy with it. I can repeatedly tell that statement. I'm very happy about it. It's the cheat days are only out of choice, but then the craving, tempting is all gone. है ही नहीं ऐसा है तो भी my body doesn't take it now. I cannot take it. मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं. Even it might be just a bite ताकि nobody feels bad कि इसके नखरे हैं ऐसा. Nobody should say that you're showing tantrums. So maybe a bite to just make others happy, but otherwise no. My body is definitely not taking it, and I'm happy with it. Yeah, and actually for the background we come from, मिठाई नहीं खाना is one big thing. अरे मिठाई नहीं खा रहे हो, it's okay, it's absolutely okay. Craving है, you have so much other alternatives, the natural form of sugars, it's absolutely okay. अब तो वो भी नहीं रहा है. In fact, I was a person who could eat 250 to 300 grams of jalebi at a time. इतना मेरा favorite था. When I got married and I came, my kaka sasur ji came to know that I like jalebi. So he used to bring jalebi and he used to tell everybody कि ये सिर्फ पिंकी का है. Nobody is touching it. And he used to make a point that he'll sit next to me and मैं वो पूरा finish करूँ. And he used to see me and enjoy seeing me eating that, But अभी तो 2 दिन पहले पड़ा था. ठीक है, okay, absolutely fine. And with a coach like Rakhi Di, even now he knows. Rakhi Di है ना, Rakhi Di को पूछ कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल ही जाएगा. He also be like becoming your fan now. And with your guidance and the way you teach and your voice records are still with me, all your recordings are still with me, all your videos, your photos, the entire chat in fact आपका, it is there with me. कभी भी एक reference के लिए और कि कुछ अब मैं भूल रही हूँ शायद, चलो let's go back to that week and कुछ ना कुछ audio तो definitely रहेगा. So it is actually great. It has been a very good journey with WildFit. It is only she who has helped me to come till here. Otherwise, it would have been really, really difficult. We just stay 10-15 buildings away. In fact, I don't know if you've met any of your students personally, except me. I was really happy when I met you also. And yes, your way of teaching students, your way of following up, and your way of mentoring us. In fact, like I have done the WildFit coach individually with you, not in a group, because I started off late. But still, you never gave up on it. You made it sure that every day you had a follow-up call with me. You gave me alternatives. You gave me the right thing when I told you मैं ये खा रही हूँ, तो you told me the right thing. No, इसके बाद ऐसे मत करो, ऐसे करो. I know you are very busy, but still you don't forget to text me. So that is one biggest thing of biggest character of yours which has helped me. That you don't 90 days are over. So who's Pinky or who is what? It's not like that. You are still with me. You still guide me. Your audios, your videos, your food, your recipes, your everything about you was just amazing. And in fact, they said today is Guru Purnima, so then I think I should be bowing to you. You are amazing, a really great mentor, and you helped me actually throughout the whole WildFit, even now. And I'm not going to leave you even the rest of the life, don't worry. Definitely it has. Because for a background, basically, being very frank, maybe जो भी ये वीडियो देखेगा या सुनेगा, it's okay. But yeah, when you're working basically, you always think कि हमारा hard earned money है, it should not go waste, you should not regret for it, because normally that makes you more unhealthy mentally when the results don't come, you don't get the expected results. But WildFit, definitely it has proved a very, very good investment. I can write that and give you. Definitely it's a very, very healthy investment. In fact, I should be saying that. People should try it and not think कि it's a big amount or it's a big investment, वो investment waste तो नहीं होगा. Definitely it is not like that. It is a worth. People should try it. Go for it. And it's not at all difficult. It is not at all impossible. मैंने कर लिया. I know what type of a person I am. मैंने ही कर लिया तो कोई भी कर सकता है यार. कोई भी कर सकता है.